No, I didn't expect this at all. It's way bigger than I could have ever imagined.
When you got into the ROTC, did you have any idea that this could be a potential scholarship for you?
I did not know that at all. And once it was brought to my attention, it was an amazing thing for me because I'd already planned to join the military and go to college, so it was like killing two birds with one stone.
Understand that you have a military family. Can you kind of talk about that and talk about who in your family was in the military?
Yes, sir. My mom served 14 years in the Army, and she enlisted right after high school in order to pay for college. My grandma didn't go to college, and she served 14 years in the Navy, and she was stationed all over the United States as well as in other countries. My grandpa, as well as his other daughter, my auntie, they both served in Marines for over 20 plus years. And military, it runs deep in my family, and it was something that I wanted to be a part of at an early age.
You have chosen Howard University.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us why?
When I was younger, I wanted to go to a historically black college or university since I was told about it. And they're very prestigious, but they're underfunded. And they're underfunded because we need more people to speak out about them. So I knew that was some place I wanted to go. So when I did my research, Howard was one of the top schools that had alumni such as Taraji P. Henson, Chadwick Boseman, and now our vice president went there. So it's really an amazing experience for me and something I get to be a part of that they once did before.
I read a little bit about you before I got here.
Yes.
You're involved in a lot of different nonprofit type activities. You work with, I believe, the Arkansas Food Bank, the Miracle League, Baseball League.
Yes,
just
sir.
talk about your involvement in some of these organizations.
Yes, sir. I'm the president of the Beta Club chapter here in my school, and it is a volunteer-based organization, as well as the National Honor Society. So we wrap up our kids and take them to volunteer at many different places, as well as through my church. The Arkansas Food Bank, I've volunteered there for some years now, doing different things such as packing cans and packing baskets of rice and wheat and different grains that can last a long time for families in need. And it's really an eye-opening experience for me, and it's really encouraged me to continue volunteering throughout my life. I've also volunteered with the Miracle League Baseball Association, and it is where we play baseball with kids with physical disabilities, wheelchairs, and they can't walk, and we walk them through the activities so that they get a feel of playing baseball as if it was the real game.
Where do you see yourself in, say, 10 years from now?
10 years from now, I will be a naval flight officer. I'll be traveling, speaking to kids about what I did in high school, how I got to this point, and how I, succeeded, made it out. And I will hope to be an inspiration to other young kids and, inspire them to, once you have a dream, you should keep chasing it. You shouldn't let anything get in the way of it.
Anything you want to add?
This has really been a very amazing thing that has happened to me. Since I was in elementary, school was always important to me. I always wanted to get good grades. I always wanted to, succeed in different things. And I was involved in a lot of things just because it was fun for me. And now being awarded this scholarship, being a part of the Navy, everything that has happened, it feels as though everything is coming full circle. Everything I've done in my life has come back around and paid off. All the hard work I put in is really paying off, and it's really an amazing experience for me to go through, and I'm very, very happy with everything that has happened.
Well, congratulations and best wishes towards you.
Thank you.